awoke one sunny day, ready to giggle, ready to play. But whispers floated through the air, a tiny story of hurt and care. Mira, her friend with a gentle smile, had been sad and quiet for a while. Genu had teased her in a silly fight, and Mira cried softly late last night. Rumi blinked her big bright eyes, her heart puffed up in baby surprise. No, 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 this isn't okay. Mira should laugh, not cry today. She grabbed her toy sword, shiny and gold, a hero's heart inside her board. Her tiny feet pattered across the floor, out the window and through the door. The forest animals looked up with cheer. Little Rumi, why are you here? Rumi squeaked. Mira was sad, I must fix what made her feel bad. The bunnies hopped to join her quest, birdies fluttered from their nest, squirrels twirled with fluffy tails, marching proudly on tiny trails. Soon they found Jenna by the stream, playing alone in his own small dream. Rumi stood tall with her sword raised high, her voice soft but strong like the sky. Jenna, you made Mira sad. Teasing friends is really bad. We should help each other grow, not bring tears or hurtful woe. Jenna blinked, his face turned red. He kicked a pebble and hung his head. I didn't mean to make her cry. I'm sorry, Rumi, truly I try. The breeze blew gently around their feet, the stream hummed softly, calm and sweet. Rumi stepped close with a gentle grin. Let's make things right, let kindness win. Together they walked to Mira's place, with hope